Okay, so I was discussing with Amy earlier that Brett's main concern after the first day of training is he think it's, fine and dandy that Amy can get a Drupal site up, but his main concern is how can Amy start to drive traffic to her Doobly Drupal website. So the four things that we're going to cover is Comment Kahuna, Traffic Gazer, along with Aweber, along with how to embed the YouTube video on Amy's site, which we're going to do this morning. And the next part is fresh content and blogging every day, video blogging. The fourth part of getting traffic is press releases. And then I mentioned to Amy, and sorry I'm being repetitive, that, in West Edmonton Mall, they've built the first phase. The second phase they built, and then they added the roller coaster and the whole amusement park thing. The third phase, maybe they added the Fantasyland Hotel and the submarine thing, and so now like people can just go there and shop. So just like there's three phases to the West Edmonton Mall, there are three phases for the beginning part for the next 3 months. What Amy can do to start building traffic and doing some SEO, which is search engine optimization, on her website. And so the first phase is what we covered yesterday, where Amy got a huge chunk done on building her Drupal website. Phase 2, which is what we're going to be working on today and also tomorrow, is how to get traffic there. So what I'm going to do as I'm talking is let's go ahead and cut this to make sure it's recording, okay, because we can. Okay, so what I did was I gave Brett a list to work on. So we're going to open up a new browser and we're going to refer to that list so everyone can see it. Just type in easy Drupal tutorials. Let's enlarge the screen.
Hi, my name is Renee.
Amy.
I'm so excited to welcome you to our...
So this is the to-do list that I gave Brett. I don't know if you've seen it, but he's already done it. This morning he gave me the username and password to sign in for your Traffic Gazer account, and he's also done the Aweber thing. Okay, that's to help build the list. And today, if we have time, we're going to show you where to go to start commenting on other people's eBay sites, auction sites, online shopping. We need to find other websites that have a tremendous amount of traffic. And I'm going to teach you how to comment on their site, like the way that we can enable commenting on your Drupal site. We're going to assign it to some accounts, and they can, and so when you're commenting, we're going to show you how to get traffic there. So the fourth thing is the press release. Okay, so what I'm going to do is kind of give you guys like a timeline, and it's and so the timeline here, and then I can type it in so everyone can see it instead of me typing it in right there. We can save the document. Okay, so we'll enlarge this and make sure that it's a big font so everyone can read it. So timeline. So we look at the scheduling, and today is the 22nd, right? So between the 22nd and the 25th, let's write that down. The 22nd and 25th. So let's write down to-do list. List for Anne, Amy, and Brett. And that's the 25th of October. Okay, so the first to-do list is basically write one press release. Okay, so what we can do is, I'll be very specific right here, and we can just simply go to Google, okay, to the search engine, Google, and then we can just type in Doobly press release. So we see that, no, it's not Dubai. We see here that these are some of the press releases that this person that owns this Doobly Network blog spot, and also press releases that this person has done fun shopping, and also the press release 24-7 press release. So this is a place where you can do a free press release. So let's just go ahead and look at some of them. So this is the first one. So typically, right here, the latest press release, United States of America press release September 29th, Vienna, Australia, and it's basically saying that this person has 25 years experience in the management area, and Michael Hansen, the CEO and founder of Doobly, will be going to Scottsdale, Las Vegas, Atlanta, Georgia to do a huge kind of like a welcome to get everybody to come to the press release. So this is an example of a press release about Doobly. Another press release is, because that was the one to launch everything in the US, so let's hope this is a different press release, but it looks like it's the same one. Okay, well, kind of. This person who wrote the press release, who owns this site, Doobly Fun Shopping, is saying that there's exciting news for all the business associates out of this German-based company, which is Doobly, and it's saying that it is now available. People can now basically launch their own Doobly associate site in the United States and Canada. Okay, and notice that they have these hyperlinks. Mm-hmm. So this person is just like you, trying to rank for the keyword Doobly auctions. Okay, so what we're going to do and what we're going to say right here is we're going to create the press release, and we're going to make sure that Anne will incorporate these keyword phrases into her press release. Okay, so the other example, the person wants to rank for Doobly auction. So why don't we just type in Doobly? That would be a one word that we're going to hyperlink, but I'll show you what that means. And then the next one is Doobly auctions. Let's go look at other press releases to see what they've hyperlinked, because this is kind of silly because people wouldn't really type in Doobly Fun Shopping, but that's just her domain name. Okay, so do not hyperlink your start business info. It's better to go for a keyword. Okay, so let's scroll down here, and let's go to the next page because we want to find other varieties of press release. This one is in May, and it doesn't look like they've added any hyperlinks. Okay, what if